Every gardener's dream is to grow a perfect grape crop. But there is a secret that not many people know. And today, I will reveal to you the secret of growing perfect grapes. The first secret is soil. Grape roots need to be free not only to receive food, but also to breathe. Therefore, prepare the soil in a loose, aerated, and nutrient-rich state. Compost and organic fertilizers are your closest assistants. The second secret is sunlight. Grapes love the sun. If you want perfectly sweet fruit, plant it in a place where it gets at least 7 to 8 hours of sunlight a day. The third secret is water management. Too much water rots the roots, and too little water makes the fruits dry and sour. Therefore, constant but moderate watering is the key to a perfect harvest. And the most important secret is love. Grapes require patience and attention. When you cut the leaves, when you direct the branches, when you add love to it, the result will amaze you. So, the secret to growing perfect grapes is simple: the right soil, sun, water, and love. If you do these 4 things correctly, your grapes will become not only a harvest, but a source of real pleasure.